not the mighty Mississippi.
Your kindness is not just a trait, it's your way of life. You genuinely care for others in a way that inspires me. You're the air that breathes life into my embers, igniting my passions. When I burn too hot, getting lost in my excitement, you are there to calm me, help me pause, think, and plan. You are the perfect complement to my fiery spirit.
Even if most of our days are spent in mundane routine, as long as I'm with you, I am the luckiest girl in the world. With you, I feel safe being my authentic self. You inspire me to be the most giving, present, and compassionate version of myself. And as we embark on this journey together, I promise to encourage and inspire you in return.
By the power vested in me in the state of Massachusetts, and I will pronounce you husband and wife.
Thought I knew what love was, I didn't have a clue, but now I see it clearly.